Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will watch the best coffee maker from over 43,381 customer reviews and brand Black+Decker. Black+Decker 12-cup programmable coffee maker. Brew your daily coffee fast with the Black+Decker 12-cup programmable coffee maker. Quick touch programming buttons make setting the 24-hour auto brew feature easy and shave some time off of your morning routine. Other useful features include Sneak a Cup technology, the 12-cup Duralife glass carafe, and a washable brew basket. Key features: digital controls with rubberized feel large. Rubberized buttons give you full control of the coffee maker, and the easy red screen displays the clock, brew time, and programming options. Sneak a Cup technology. This feature temporarily stops the flow of coffee so you can pour your first cup before brewing ends without making a mess. 2-hour auto shutoff. For added safety and peace of mind with every use. Easy View water window. The front-facing window shows you the exact amount of water that will turn into coffee. Duralife glass carafe. The sturdy 12-cup carafe has measurement markings for accurate filling and an easy grip handle for comfortable pouring. Keep hot carafe plate. The non-stick carafe plate keeps coffee warm for an hour after brewing is complete. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.